Hello, my name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design and a Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. If those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. For this week, this is week 24 of the Weekly Declutter Challenge. And this week, we are going to declutter our backyard. Whether you have a small patio or a spacious space, you can definitely decorate it and declutter it and make it your very own. Your backyard space should be a place to relax and retreat in your own home. It's like your own little private vacation area. First thing we're going to do is take a physical and a mental sweep around our backyard. Walk around your backyard space. See if you see things that are broken, maybe old toys, rubbish, things that need to go, or things that need to be fixed. So let's do that first. The next thing we're going to do is group items together. This could be toys, lawn equipment, flowers, grill essentials, anything, furniture, all those things. You're going to group them together in a centralized location. Now let's clean. So as you remember from my previous video, I did a power wash of everything on my patio. So you're going to want to do that with everything in your backyard. Things that have been exposed to the elements, they may be rusty, they may be dirty, or just dust. So let's go ahead and clean these things. Next, you're going to want to organize. So you can organize things by putting them in boxes. Maybe something needs to go in your garage or something may need to go in your shed. But this is definitely time to organize what's left. Next, you want to add your comfort and beauty. This could be things like adding pillows, rugs, lights, any type of decor. Another thing you can do is create zones in your backyard. You can have a zone for a play area for the children. You can have a relaxing zone for adults. You can even have a grilling zone. I love having designated areas for designated features. And last and definitely not least, don't stress. Your backyard space should be your very own, and you can make it as beautiful or as relaxing as you want. This should be your heaven away from the inside of your home, especially to be able to enjoy in the summer months if you're in a location that doesn't have summer year-round. Stay tuned to my next video, which I will be showing you how I did a little mini makeover over my backyard. I had recently refreshed my patio, and it actually sort of went towards the backyard as well. So on my next video, which will be Wednesday, you can see my little mini makeover for my backyard. So thank you very much for being involved with this weekly declutter challenge. If you are new to the challenge and want to join the challenge, all you need to do is make a conscious effort to want to live in a decluttered home and have a decluttered life. You can read about the challenge in the description box below. There is a link to my blog post. And you can also join my private Facebook community on Facebook. That's where you can interact with other like-minded individuals and how we can all achieve all the things that we want in our life and our home. So, thank you very much for watching this video and have a divine day. Goodbye.